Hey guys, it's Varun Inamdar and it's a Wednesday. I'm back with my monsoon special Chai Diaries. On that note, let's make something healthy. Let's make Besan Chillas, also known as tomato omelette, and this goes amazingly well with good ki chai. Let's first begin with cutting a few ingredients. Let's begin with a red onion. Well, you can cut this as roughly as you can, and while I'm using onions, tomatoes, chilies and ginger, you could use any ingredient, any vegetable. Let's move on to cutting some ginger. Along with this, some green chillies. And the final is cutting some tomatoes. Well, I also know a few of my friends who like crushing the tomatoes for their tomato omelette. So if you want to do that, you could also do that. All our ingredients are cut and ready. Let's transfer all of this into a bowl of sieved gram flour. Time to add in some spices. Let's begin with red chili powder. You can adjust this as per your taste. Well, I like it spicy, so I'm going that way. You can choose your way. Adding in some turmeric powder and along with this, roasted cumin powder. Finally, salt as required. Let's give this a mix. To this, let's add in some water. While mixing, all you need to ensure that there are no lumps of gram flour or besan. This batter needs to be of dropping consistency like so. Once that is ready, all you need to do is heat a pan on medium flame and just brush little vegetable oil lightly. Alternately, you could also use ghee if you find that a healthier option for your family. Once the oil in the pan heats up, we need to add in a nice ladle full of this batter on the pan. We need to spread this like a pancake. And we need to ensure that it's roughly half centimeter thick. Allow this to cook on medium flame for roughly a minute on one side before we flip. Once you start noticing a few bubbles on the top side, just add in a few drops of oil or clarified butter and give this a gentle flip. Allow this to cook on the other side as well, roughly for a minute. Once this is cooked on both the sides, let's give it one final flip, and this now gets transferred onto the serving plate. Well, similarly, let's make some more chillas. With this, Besan Chilla is ready to be enjoyed this monsoon. Until next Wednesday, be good and take care of yourselves.